Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can simulate a wide angle video in CapCut PC. I'm just going to find a video here in the scenery and I'll just add this one for instance. I'm also going to change the ratio of the video as well. Go to the effects section and you're going to type in wide angle. If you can't find it, just go to video effects and go to lens and you'll be able to find the wide angle effect. Should be somewhere here, but I'm just going to type it. I don't really have good vision, so select wide angle and place it either on top of your video or inside of your video. Here you can adjust the strength of the the effect as well. And as you can see, there is a major difference in the video. So this is what your wide angle video should look like at the end. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!